Hello viewers, a lot of users have a lot of questions regarding tablets and iPads. In this video, I will try to answer some of the questions that they have asked me. One of the users asked me that he is using iPad 10th generation and he is using the version iPadOS 12.5.7, but apps are not working and he is not able to update his iPad to the latest version. There might be many reasons behind not being able to update. One of the reasons may be that you have not selected auto update or you have disabled the update. Just check that, and if you don't get the solution, in that case you may visit the service center to get the problem resolved. Another user wants to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE and he is asking me that is 32,000 price point good enough for Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE. Actually, the best price of this tablet is 29,000 rupees. So I think you should wait for few days, and if you have urgency you can also buy at this price point. Another user wants to know the best price of Xiaomi Pad 7 in Republic Day sale. If you get this tablet to buy at around 20,000 rupees for the 128GB you can buy, and if you want to buy the 256GB variant, in that case the best price would be 23,000 rupees maximum. But I would request you to wait till 6th of January when the Redmi Pad 2 Pro will be launched, and this will bring some new features at an attractive price. Another user wants to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus and he is asking me the best price of this tablet. Actually, the best price for this tablet is 41,000 rupees, but you will not get this at this price point, so it will be better for you if you wait for few days, maybe Republic Day sale or another sale, to get the best discount on this tablet. Another user wants to know whether he should buy any Android tablet or iPad 11th generation under the price bracket of 30,000 rupees. Look, if you have a lot of editing, in that case iPad 11th generation would be best for you under the price bracket of 30,000. Processing power of iPad 11th generation is top notch. No Android tablet can beat this at this price point, so it will be better for you if you go for iPad 11th generation. Actually, many users want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, so they are eagerly waiting for this tablet. The best price for this tablet is 23,000 to maximum 25,000 rupees. So buy this tablet if you get at this price point. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.